Organizing files with batch scripts.
So, are you tired of messy folders? Learn how to automate file organization by creating a batch script that sorts your files by date and have quick access to your documents, photos, and downloads, all sorted into folders by the date they were created or modified. Let's explore how it works.
What is a batch script?
A batch script is a simple text file that contains a series of commands for Windows to execute. With a .bat or .cmd extension, batch scripts automate routine tasks like moving files or creating folders. You don't need advanced programming skills, just basic knowledge of commands and a text editor like Notepad.
The basic structure of the script.
To sort files by date, your batch script will first scan a folder, identify each file's date, and create folders named after those dates if they don't already exist. Then, it will move each file into the appropriate folder. This process can be run manually or scheduled to occur automatically.
Writing the batch script.
A typical script uses commands such as for, if not exist, and move. It loops through each file in your target folder, extracts the date, then creates a folder named with that date, such as 2024-6-12. Finally, it moves files into their respective folders. Save your commands in a .bat file and double-click to run.
Customizing and running your script.
You can modify the script to handle specific file types, use different date formats, or sort files based on creation or modification date. Remember to back up important files, test your script on a small folder first, and set up a scheduled task if you want sorting to happen automatically. Organization is just a script away.